All right, we're gonna try and spruce this chair up here a little bit. I'm using this, bought on Amazon. I've used it before. Comes out, it's like almost like a little shoe polish. Put it on with a sponge, wipe it around, then you buff it off with this. I did clean it with alcohol prior to. The seats aren't bad. I just did that one. It looks good, and I'll show you that. But you can see, you know, it's just tired. It's just tired. So I'll save you from, basically, you just dip this in, spread it around, try and get it even. Goes on pretty good, and then kind of buff it out, and we'll see if it kind of makes these tired areas a little bit better. So just kind of dip her in, go over it, and that's pretty much it for the whole thing. So I'll show you the before and after, but you can see the difference between there and there. That's going to be the big one. All right, so I'm going to try and film this. Man. You can see it. The brown's gone for now. We'll follow up. You can see on the back of this seat is really bad. I'm gonna try this on there. I probably just need to take that off. It's really easy. 2 screws, slides out, and spray paint it, but we'll see what this does. Okay, so now after you do that, you're supposed to wait a couple minutes, come by with this. I mean, it's coming out, you gotta admit, I mean, down where that was kind of brown, I mean, it looks great. I mean, you could come over it. I got enough to do a couple coats if I wanted, but big improvement there. And even on this back side where it's kind of plasticky, I mean, it looks better, no doubt about it. So that could use a couple coats. We'll see how long it lasts, but yeah, this stuff, big improvement. Definitely doesn't look as tired. All right, one suggestion, it does come with rubber gloves. I would suggest using it. I think that's going to be a huge pain in the ass to get off. Yeah. That makes it kind of hard to see, but I gave it a couple more coats back here, and man, what an unbelievable difference. I don't think I'm going to have to spray paint it. See if you can see. I mean, it just, if you remember all the scratches that were on there, I mean, it looks just so much better. All right, bonus tip. Look at this. And it's dye, you know. So that's what we're going with. Stand by. Helped a little, but we're calling in the big guns. Mineral spirits. So the mineral spirits were better. Still in my nails. I'll be picking that out for a couple days. But really, the real tip is to use the gloves. Use the gloves. All right, walking around in circles. Good product, I think. I've used it before on various vehicles, so it's all good. One thing I've noticed is if you don't put it on evenly, it will kind of leave a streak. I don't know if you can see that, but like right there. So I'm just gonna touch that up, and guess what I'm gonna use? Gloves. All right, final look at the seats. They came out good. You know, I like the stuff. Definitely from that brown, the tiredness that was over here, kind of conditions it. Looks good. One more thing down on this resto.